Hi, I'm Mike with Aimco Manufacturing. We've got a gripping tool here with a rigid jaw lined with Delrin, and our actuated jaw again lined with Delrin. On the back side, we've got an actuated jaw and our rubber stop. By pulling the common trigger in and hitting the clamp button, you'll see how this actuates in. Our actuated jaw slowly actuates in to pick up on our pickup points on this HVAC system. Hold the common trigger down on your unclamp button to release. I'll show you how this works. Hold the down button on the Gorbel controller. Get your fixed jaw in place first, common trigger and clamp. And as this jaw is coming in, you want to keep that aligned. Now we're encapsulated and safe to lift. As you'll see, we've got the encapsulation here. With the Gorbel pendant, we've got our up-down feature, along with our vertical slide handle to keep ourselves in a nice ergonomic position. This labeled trigger is our rod lock activation, so by pulling this, we'll release the rod lock and allow our vertical slide handle to work freely up and down. So by keeping the operator in a nice position, you'll see how that works. Once you release the trigger, the rod lock will activate. Now you can pitch the part up and down with this locked. After you have this picked, you can hit the G-force button here on the pendant. That will record the weight of the tool and the part and put us in our float mode. You can then manipulate the part by hand or anywhere on the tool by hand for your vertical control. Well, thanks for watching. Please visit Aimco Manufacturing for more product videos.